All right, so we got shock drop pairs that are landing. People are starting to post about their shock drops, man. And guess what, bruh? These black cement 3s, some pairs are coming shocked. Like, they are not looking good, man. I hope your pair does look well. Today we're going to be talking about that, along with a couple other things. Like, should you invest in a double up on these? And also, is this a good investment to flip? Let's talk about it.
Spare like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll get.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Troop. Today we're going to be talking about these joints right here, man. The Air Jordan 3 black cement, man. These things are super clean, super fire, super classic sneaker. This is the 2018 pair, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not am I going to be going for the new pair. Is this double up worthy, all that good stuff. And also, it's some pairs that look pretty bad that's coming in from the sneaker shock drop from last week. But before we get off into this content and the discussion, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are almost at 20K. We are right up under it, man. A little less than 1,000. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the videos, do all those great things. So it is definitely worth mentioning that off rip, I'm going to tell you guys without any question, yes, this is a must-have sneaker that you should have in your collection. If you're going to start any kind of sneaker collection, I think the Jordan 3 black cement is definitely one of those staple sneakers. But as far as doubling up, I'm going to say, man, I don't double up on sneakers, so I'm gonna say definitely say no. And as far as people have been saying, as far as like you gotta make sure that you got a crispy pair, look, man, the back end of mine, as you can see right here, my joints are yellowing, but all in all, they're not in bad shape, still in pretty good condition. The leather is still good on these things. These are the 2018 pair that came with the glitter on it. But for me, these are not a double up. Again, I don't double up on anything in my collection, so I'm gonna let you guys have this one. I will be doing a comparison and a review of the 2024 pair just for the channel, but as far as for my feet and my toes, I am solid and good with the 2018 pair. Now, some of you guys are receiving your sneakers and these things are looking terrible. As you can see on the screen, this is a pair that somebody posted on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. And man, these things are not good. They are scuffed, they are scratched. And I don't know if this came from Nike like this, or was this one of those things that happened during shipping, you know, as far as like getting it to the person. But nonetheless, I would be very upset, especially at that price point of like, what, $220, $225. I would be upset if my pair came in like this. But then you also have people complaining about this part of the sneaker, the elephant print on the back end and on the toe box. They're saying that it's super, super light. It's not dark, this original color. But my thoughts on that is not a deal breaker in my opinion. Let's keep it a buck. If you're not gonna buy a sneaker because you say that the elephant print is too light or is like brighter than the last pair, I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been collecting sneakers for a long time, and every retro is no retro that's literally gonna be 100% the same. Some of them are close, but it is the Jordan black cement 3s, bro, at the end of the day. Whether the cement is lighter, whether the leather is less tumbler, whatever the situation may be, it is not a bad pair. Now, you do have some pairs that are completely missing the elephant print on the suede part. And that part, now that's a problem. Now, that's just completely defining the sneaker. That's not what the sneaker is supposed to look like. I definitely understand that. But for the most part, I'm going to say, if you can get your hands on this pair, it's probably going to be pretty solid. I haven't seen too many bad pairs, but I will say this, the pairs that I have seen with defects are pretty bad. Y'all comment down below and let me know how your shock drop pair look. Now, as far as the resale goes in buying these things, it is a ton of pairs out here. As you can see on the screen, this is the stock number. It's a ton of pairs. With that being said, we still got a lot of raffles and stuff open. I think this shoe is going to be an easy cop for anybody that goes out and do their footwork. Now, for those people that's just waiting for the shoe to fall in their lap, some people might get lucky because it is a lot of pairs. But I don't think you want to take that chance if this is a sneaker that you want. So make sure you enter a raffle, doing your footwork, and be prepared for any drops that's going to happen. As far as resale goes, I think this shoe is going to be about $25, $30 over retail after the release day for a little while. And then over time, yes, it'll probably gain some traction as far as like your size 13s and stuff like that. But I wouldn't panic if I miss out on this shoe. If I were you, on the release day or like a couple days after it, I still think you'll be able to get a pair for a pretty decent price, about $25, $35 above retail. You got to take into consideration, if you're buying on StockX and GOAT, that means that it's gonna be about $60 over retail for the most part. But that still ain't too bad if you really want this sneaker. But y'all let me know down below, what are your thoughts and opinions? Is this a sneaker that you gotta have in your collection? Are you super excited about it coming out? How does your shock drop pair look? Like I said, tell me how my 2018 pair look. Should I double up or not? I'm not going to, but hey, I would love to hear what you got to say, man. But y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these threes, are just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got